Hello, I'm Joshua Brown from howtobecome.com, a leading interview training company that has helped millions of candidates worldwide prepare to pass their job interviews. And in this video, I'm going to help you succeed in your Imperial College NHS Trust interview. Oh, and don't forget to let me know which job role you are applying for in the comments section below, so I can personally give you extra interview tips and questions. Imperial College NHS Trust style interview question number 1 is tell me about yourself, your interview introduction. Here is a brilliant top scoring answer to help you. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm someone who genuinely enjoys helping others and being part of a team that makes a real difference. I'm caring, dependable and calm under pressure, and I always aim to treat patients and colleagues with respect and compassion. What inspired me to apply to Imperial College Healthcare was a visit I made to one of your hospitals a while ago. The care, professionalism and kindness shown by staff left a real impression on me. It showed how much you value patient-centered care, and that's something I'm passionate about too. I take pride in being organised, adaptable and someone who is always willing to learn. I'd be proud to bring those qualities to your team and contribute to the Trust's commitment to delivering safe, kind and expert care to every patient. That was a top scoring answer and a brilliant way to introduce yourself in an Imperial College NHS Trust interview. That will impress the hiring manager. Let's move on to the next essential question you must prepare for, which is what are the values and vision of Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust? Now, why is this question being asked? Well, it's being asked to check whether you've done your research, whether you understand the core values guiding the Trust work. So therefore, in your answer, make sure you refer to all 4 of the values: kind, collaborative, expert and aspirational, and then give a brief example of how you personally reflect them in your work. That's really important that you do that, and here is exactly how you can do that with my brilliant top scoring answer to help you. What are the values and vision of Imperial College NHS Trust? The vision of Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust is to be a world leader in integrated healthcare, research and education. What really stands out to me is your commitment to combining excellent patient care with innovation and learning to improve long-term health outcomes. The Trust's values are kind, collaborative, expert and aspirational. I think those values are incredibly important in any healthcare role. Kindness builds trust with patients. Collaboration ensures the team works together. Expertise gives patients confidence in their care, and being aspirational means always striving to improve. These values really align with how I approach my work, treating people with compassion, being reliable and supportive in a team, and always looking to grow and improve. I would be proud to work for a trust that holds itself to those standards. Now, don't go anywhere, as I still have more Imperial College NHS Trust interview questions and the brilliant answers coming up for you. But when you're ready, and only if you want to, you can click that link in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below this video at any point during the training. That link will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can instantly download my Imperial College NHS Trust interview success pack. Imagine having the exact scoring sheet your interviewer will use to assess you. Well, with this pack, you'll get that Imperial College NHS Trust style interview score sheet, plus 30 of the most commonly asked Imperial College interview questions, each with expert proven answers to help you pass. You'll also get a ready-made 30, 60, 90-day plan to impress the hiring manager, star interview technique answers tailored to Imperial College NHS Trust, and free 30 days access to our best-selling online interview mentoring course with over 50 video modules to boost your confidence and performance. Thousands of people have used these exact strategies to land jobs at Imperial College NHS Trust and other top employers, and if it doesn't help you, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk. Click that link now or check the pinned comment below when you're ready. Let's keep moving and going with more questions and answers to help you succeed. Why did you apply for the role is the next important question you should prepare for, and it's being asked to understand your motivation and whether you've genuinely considered how the role fits your skills, goals and interests. Therefore, it's very important in your answer that you link your strengths to the job description, show enthusiasm and explain why this specific role stands out to you personally. That is so important. Here is exactly how you can do that using this brilliant top scoring answer to help you. Why did you apply for the role? I applied for this role because it feels like a perfect match for my skills, values and career goals. I enjoy helping people, working as part of a supportive team and staying organised even when things are busy, all of which are important in this job. When I read the job description, I felt genuinely excited about the opportunity to contribute to patient care in a hands-on and meaningful way. I'm also drawn to the idea of working for a leading NHS trust like Imperial College Healthcare, where I know I'd be supported to develop and grow. I want to be part of a team that puts patients first, works together and is proud of the care that it provides. And this role feels like the right place for me to do that. Okay, here is the next question for you. Why do you want to work for Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust? Now this question's being asked to see whether your values align with the trust and if you're likely to be committed long term. In your answer, mention the trust's reputation, its culture, and its patient-first approach, and explain why those things matter to you and your development. Here is a fantastic top-scoring answer to help you. Why do you want to work for Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust? I want to work for Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust because of your strong reputation for delivering outstanding patient care, alongside cutting-edge research and education. You're clearly a trust that combines compassion with innovation, and that really appeals to me. I've also been impressed by your focus on inclusion, teamwork, and professional development. It feels like the kind of place where staff are supported to do their best and continuously improve. That's exactly the kind of environment I want to be a part of. Working for a trust that values kindness, collaboration, expertise, and aspiration would push me to grow and contribute meaningfully, and I'd be proud to be part of that mission. Now, what I've done to help you pass your Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust interview at the first attempt is compile a list of the most common questions you must prepare strong answers to, such as, what will be your biggest challenge coming into this role at Imperial College NHS Trust? How would you deal with a challenging interaction with a relative? How would you put patients first in your work? What is safeguarding, and how would you implement it in your work at Imperial College NHS Trust? Describe how you've demonstrated NHS core values in the past. Tell us about a time you dealt with a difficult patient. Tell us how you've improved a service in the trust. How would you demonstrate confidentiality in your work at Imperial College NHS Trust? What is the best thing about the NHS? What is clinical governance in the National Health Service? How would you help promote equality, diversity and inclusion in your team at Imperial College NHS Trust? So those are just some of the key Imperial College NHS Trust interview questions that you need to prepare for. But if you want the full list of all 30 Imperial College NHS Trust style questions, along with expert answers to help you succeed first time, click the link in the top right hand corner right now or in the pinned comment below. It will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can instantly access every answer we've covered today, including 30 powerful responses to the most commonly asked Imperial College NHS Trust style interview questions, the NHS style score sheet, your 30, 60, 90-day plan, and the NHS Star Behavioural Answers Workbook, all in one downloadable package. It's a brilliant resource designed to give you the edge and boost your chances of success, and more importantly, make you stand out from the competition. So make sure you check out that link. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their interviews, and your support really helps me continue creating these videos. Also, hit that like button if you found this video helpful. It's a small click that makes a big difference. If you have any questions about Imperial College NHS Trust interviews or any job role, drop them in the comment section below. I reply to all comments with tips, advice and support. And finally, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. I love connecting with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best in your Imperial College Healthcare NHS Trust interview. You've got this.